Welcome fellow problem solvers, Mr Oosthuizen as always. Thank you for joining. Remember to share, like and subscribe. So yes, what to do is one thing. It's important to know what to do. But when to do the correct thing, it's even more important, right? And that's what order of operations is all about with mathematics. How and when to do what. Stay tuned and enjoy. Welcome back problem solvers. So let's look at the order of operations, and this will empower you to solve problems that I was referring to. So first of all, when doing our calculations, we're first going to work with the brackets. Very important. So that's key. We want to look at our brackets. Then secondly, if there's any order, for instance, let's say to the power of or a square root or anything like that, that's the next thing you want to take a look at. Okay, and afterwards we would like to do the multiplication and divide, and those you will apply from the left to the right. Doesn't matter which one is first, like meaning if it's multiply and divide, whichever one is on the left, that's the one you apply first. So that's then multiplication and divide, and then from there on finally we add and subtract, also applied from the left to the right. So add and subtract. So this will help you just to remember. So first of all brackets, then the order, then multiply and divide, and then add and subtract. Okay, so maybe that will help you just to remember it. Just to look at a bomb and dust, however you want to make an association. Okay, so how about a few examples again? Examples always help. So let's say it's -5 bracket 7 divided by 7 close bracket plus 17 minus 2 times 8. Okay, so first of all, let's apply. Brackets, 7 divided by 7. We know that is equal to 1. Remember, when a number stands next to a bracket, as in this example, like -5 times the bracket, that's what it means. Okay, so then we still have the plus. Over here you can see the 17, we're just going to write down as is, minus 2 times 8. Now it's important to notice here that the multiplication has a higher order than add and subtract. So we can then say 2 times 8 is 16, so this will be minus 16. Okay, so -5 times 1 is -5, plus 17 minus 16, and we know that plus 17. Okay, so now we're just going to apply it from the left to the right. So -5 plus 17. So we start at -5 and we are adding, so we're moving to the right. So this will become a 12 minus 16, and 12 minus 16 is -4. So this is an example of how to apply the order of operations. Let's look at a second example, and I'm going to add divide as well. So plus 8 times 121 divide by 11 minus 12, and then let's say again maybe bracket 2 close bracket square. Let's look at this one. So first of all, we see the bracket, and inside the bracket we see 121 divided by 11. So this can be written as an 8 times 11 minus 12 times, and now the 2 to the power of 2 is applied next. This becomes a 4. And now we have two multiplication terms and a subtract in between, a minus. So 8 times 11 is 88. Minus, and then 12 times 4 is 48. Therefore, we'll end up with 40. Hopefully this will help you to understand the order of operations. Enjoy your day.